I'm Ashley Tang from BTW Media. Donald Trump has just launched his own mobile network, Trump Mobile, along with a flash gold-colored smartphone, priced at $499. It's running as an MVNO, meaning it uses existing network like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Trump claims the phone will be designed and built in the US. But to be honest, no one really knows who's making it or where. Sounds a bit too good to be true. The mobile plan is $47.45 a month, clearly a nod to him being the 45th president. It's a broad marketing move, sure, but also feel more about branding than generally disrupting the telecom world. Experts aren't convinced either. MVNOs are naturally difficult to scale, and the idea of building a US-made phone for under $500 most in the industry say it's not feasible. Personally, it all feels a bit gimmick, more politics than product. While I'm all for innovation, I'd rather see real tech progress than another headline-grabbing stunt. But hey, if it somehow delivers, I'll be the first to admit I was wrong.